What is a microwave oven?
A microwave oven is a kitchen appliance that cooks or heats food quickly using microwaves, which are a form of electromagnetic energy. Unlike traditional ovens, microwaves specifically interact with the molecules in your food, making the cooking process much faster and more efficient.
How do microwaves heat food?
Microwave ovens produce electromagnetic waves called microwaves that penetrate food and cause water molecules to vibrate rapidly. This vibration generates heat, which in turn cooks the food from the inside out. The process is efficient because water molecules absorb microwave energy very effectively.
Why does food sometimes heat unevenly?
Uneven heating occurs because microwaves may not reach all parts of the food equally. Dense or thick foods can have cold spots. Most microwaves use a rotating plate to help distribute the waves more evenly, but stirring or rearranging the food can also improve results.
Is microwave cooking safe?
Microwave cooking is considered safe when used correctly. The electromagnetic waves do not make food radioactive. Modern ovens are designed to keep microwaves inside the unit during operation, protecting users from exposure. Always use microwave-safe containers to avoid chemical leaching or melting.
Can all foods be microwaved?
Most foods can be safely cooked or reheated in a microwave, but certain items like eggs in shells or tightly sealed containers should be avoided since they can explode. Always follow guidelines for safe use and check food packaging for microwave instructions when available.